You've probably seen the ads. Build your own app in minutes, no coding, no hassle, no hidden fees. Sounds almost too smooth, right? Today, we're talking about Passion.io, the platform that promises to let creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs launch their own mobile app without touching a line of code. But here's the catch. Big claims don't always match the fine print. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know if Passion.io is actually worth your money or just another shiny tool with hidden strings attached. On paper, Passion.io looks like the dream package. You get app hosting, course delivery, communities, payment systems, push notifications, even integrations with tools like Zapier. It's basically selling you an all-in-one hub. Build a course, launch a membership, create a private community, and publish it in both app stores. But here's the reality. A lot of those must-have features are gated depending on the plan you choose. Advanced drip content isn't even available on their Pro plan, which is the cheaper tier. You'd need to upgrade just to unlock it. And while they say no hidden fees, Passion.io payments come with a platform fee on top of standard App Store charges. So yes, you'll get an app up and running, but it's not as all-included as the headline makes it sound. And if you want to learn how to spot overhyped marketing from what's real, grab my free guide in the description, The Income Lie. It breaks down exactly why most people never make real money online and what you can do to be the exception. Go and check it out. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. Here's what Passion.io really costs if you pay monthly. The launch plan is $119 a month. That gets you the basics, like a starter app, basic communities, one-to-one messaging, and simple drip content. The middle tier, Scale, runs at $299 a month. That unlocks more advanced automations, better community features, the ability to remove passion branding, and Zapier integrations. Then there's Expand at $699 a month. This is where you can actually get your app listed in the Apple and Google app stores, take Apple Pay and Google Pay, and unlock unlimited content, push notifications, and users. And finally, there's a done-for-you Passion Plus option, where they handle migration, analytics, and even submit the app for you. But that's a custom premium service with higher costs. So yes, you can start at $119, but if you want the features most businesses actually need, like App Store listing or branding control, you're looking at $299 to $699 per month. And on top of that, don't forget platform fees and the App Store developer charges. Also, remember to grab my free guide in the description, The Income Lie. It will show you why the odds are against you by default and what you can do to turn that around and make it into your advantage. Go check it out and see for yourself. Some users say the drag and drop builder is simple, the lessons are easy to set up, and the apps look clean enough. Others complain it feels restrictive, you're limited in design customization, and integrations aren't as deep as you'd get with a WordPress stack or more flexible platforms. And there are reports of bugs, like one Trustpilot reviewer saying clients couldn't log in or complete payments properly. To their credit, Passion.io responds to complaints and seems to take support seriously, but it's still a risk when you're running a business that needs to be smooth 24/7. Passion.io's Trustpilot score looks great at first glance, a 4.5 out of 5 with over 1,700 reviews. But if you read carefully, some of the glowing 5-star reviews read like they came from a script. That doesn't necessarily mean they're fake, but it does mean you shouldn't take them at face value. Always weigh the 1- and 2-star reviews just as heavily as the 5-star ones. That's where you'll see complaints about costs, restrictions, and customer experience. And here's where I'll leave you with something you won't hear in the ads. The low barrier pitch sounds great, but once you factor in monthly costs, platform fees, and the limitations of design and features, you're basically paying a premium for convenience. If that convenience matters to you, Passion.io might deliver. If not, there are cheaper, more flexible ways to run the same type of business without locking into their system. That's the breakdown. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your experience, especially if you've actually used Passion.io. And before you chase another shiny promise, grab my free guide in the description, The Income Lie. Trust me, It'll save you from wasting money on hype.